This video is about how to put the Vaillant condensing boilers into service mode. If you enjoy, drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, push that bell notification button as well. If you don't do that, you might miss out on some new videos that drop, maybe some new promotions and new competitions, so it's worth doing. Turn the power off and hold on to the plus button. Put the power back on whilst holding the plus button. The screen should flash and you will be entered into the P menu. From here you can go into P0, which is pump purge, P1, which is maximum, and P2, which is minimum. To enter, push I. Remember, if it's a system or heat only boiler, you need a demand. Maybe the heating is best, because otherwise it's going to reach temperature pretty quick. To exit this mode, you can push the I and the plus key together, or the plus and the minus key together, or you can turn the power off, which you might need to do if you're going to swap modes anyway. If you add me on social media, on Instagram or Twitter, then you can find some competitions, promotions, and some plumbing disasters as well. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching.